Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to explain you the separation of liquid gas mixture and the separation of gas mixture. Let us start with the separation of liquid gas mixture. We can separate a gas from a liquid by boiling. What happens on boiling? On heating or boiling dissolved gases, the gases which are dissolved in the liquid escapes from the liquid as the solubility of a gas in a liquid decreases with an increase in temperature. Let us see in the diagram. Here T represents temperature and S represents the solubility of the gas. As the temperature increases, solubility of the gas decreases. Let us see in the example. For drinking water, it is tasteless, but it contains air dissolves in it, due to which it gets taste. On boiling, the air escapes out from the water and the boiled water becomes tasteless. It is same for the cold drinks. When the cold drink is chilled, it has more taste than the normal cold drink. Let us see the next method, separation of gas mixture. Here the first method is diffusion. What is diffusion? The spreading out and intermixing of two or more substances due to the motion of their particles is called diffusion. What is the principle behind it? It depends upon the differences in the densities of the gases present in the mixture. A lighter gas diffuses more rapidly than the heavier one. Let us see in the diagram. Here L represents the lighter gas, H represents the heavier gas, and D represents the rate of diffusion. As the gas density of the gas increases, the rate of diffusion decreases. Let us see in the example. A mixture of hydrogen and oxygen can be separated by the method of diffusion. As hydrogen is lighter than oxygen, it diffuses fast, so we can separate oxygen from the hydrogen by the method of diffusion. Let us see the next method. It is solvent extraction method. This method depends upon the solubility of gases in liquid, where the liquid is water or any other solvent. Some gases dissolve in liquid fast, whereas others are less soluble. For example, a mixture of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, they can be separated by this method, that is the solvent extraction method. Carbon dioxide, it dissolves in water rapidly, while the carbon monoxide is sparingly soluble in water. So carbon dioxide dissolves and carbon monoxide escapes out, and we can separate carbon monoxide from the mixture of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Let us see the next method. It is liquefaction. It is very important method to separate the gas from a gas mixture. What is liquefaction? It is the process of changing the gases into liquid on increasing pressure and lowering the temperature. Let us see in the diagram. Here is the liquefaction of gas. How can we liquefy a gas? A gas can be liquefied on lowering the temperature, that is at a low temperature, and increasing the pressure. In this condition, a gas can be turned into liquid. What is the principle behind it? It is based on the fact that some gases liquefy easily at high pressure and low temperature, while others are not easily liquefied. Some gases like ammonia, carbon dioxide, they liquefy easily. Let us see in the example. A mixture of ammonia and nitrogen can be separated by this method, as ammonia liquefies easily, leaving behind nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is left behind, so it can be separated from the mixture of ammonia and nitrogen. So dear students, in this way the chapter is completed, and you have to do the exercise questions in the homework notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice study.